And we found Emperor's Treasure Dollar Storm. We're going to give it a shot at penny denomination. We got 20 bucks in there. We're going to do $1 a spin and try and get that major at 507.28. Let's give it a shot. Here we go. Uh-oh. Gotta do the volume, you know. Hey, there's a lot of him. He's wild. I got money back. I'm happy with that. I got all my money back. I'm happy with that. Oh, look at that. $5. Hey. I would like to get some of those gold balls, though. Yeah, those. A minor. What was a minor? $50. Oh, man. There it is. And we got the minor. Look at that. Cool. Cool. Hold and spin. Here we go. $2. Oh, I have to hit the button. Okay. Another $1, but it's 3 spins. That's all we care about for 3 spins. Another $1, but it's 3 spins. Uh-oh. We need one more or this little party's over. And that was it. But oh, we love that. I would have liked to have had that 28,308.61, but I'll take 65. Nice. All right, where's that take us up to now? 82.18. Ow! Let's do 2 backup spins. And we will stop right there. $80.77. That is a quadruple up. That's what it is. Quadruple up on Emperor's Treasure. Dollar Storm. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Love ya. Bye.